Counts now it is a 44th question. Anshu, Anju and Anupam are partner in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:2:1. Their balance sheet as 31st March 2019 as follows. Balance sheet is given over there, and here journal reserve is given, capital account, and then other asset and liabilities. Anshu, Anju and Anupam decided to share the profit equally. This is the change in profit sharing ratio. That is why this is the reconstitution of partnership firm with effect from 1st April 2019. And goodwill of the firm valued at 60,000. Land should be revalued at 3 lakh. Here you have to note down the value simultaneously, because you have to enter the changes simultaneously. It has been said in the question that no need to prepare revaluation account. So, and also they don't want to show the altered value of asset and liability that is given over there are not to be recorded in the books. That is why I am just noting down the increase or decrease in asset and liability simultaneously. Land should be revalued at 3 lakhs. So earlier the land was 2, now 3. So there is an increase in land, so that will be added up. So for land I will do plus 1 lakh. Then building and plant should be depreciated by 5%. So they 5% by the 5% amount building and plant they will be deducted. For building 4,000 and for plant 8,000 will be deducted. Stock revalued at rupees 2,25,000. The value of stock has been increased by 15,000. Now the creditors amounting to 2,000 were not likely to be claimed, so there is a decrease in creditor. 2,000 will be added up. So because this is a profit on the part of the revaluation account. And now nothing else has been given regarding increase or decrease in asset and liability. So revaluation profit I have made like this in the rough notes, because no need to show altered values, no need to show revaluation account. So this is a profit of 1,05,000 after adding up increase in assets and decrease in liability, and this is decrease in assets. So that is a profit on revaluation account. Now next thing is record the necessary journal entries to give effect to the to show the above agreement without opening revaluation account, and prepare the capital account of the partners, prepare the balance sheet of the firm after reconstitution, and it has been decided that journal reserve is to be transferred to capital account, and value of asset and liabilities are not to be recorded in the book. So journal reserve is to be transferred to capital account, fine, and but no need to record the altered value of asset and liability, and goodwill is also there. So what we have to do, sacrificing and gaining ratio is to be calculated for the partners like this: Anshu, Anju and Anupam. So this is a gaining and sacrificing ratio: 2/5 minus 1/3, 2/5 minus 1/3 and 1/5 minus 1/3. So this is a sacrificing and gaining ratio. They both will be credited and this will be debited. Now total of goodwill and profit on revaluation account, that is 1,65,000. 1,05,000 is profit on revaluation account and 60,000 is of goodwill. So take out the value of sacrificing amount on 1,65,000, that is 11,000, and for Anju that is 11,000, and for Anupam that is 22,000. He will be debited and they both will be credited, because so enter the debit amount in partners capital account after entering the balances of capital account, that is given in the balance. Balances are given as 2,40,000, 2 lakh and 1,60,000. Now enter the balances in the partners capital account. So here enter the partners capital account balances by balance BD: 2,40,000, 2 lakh, 1,60,000. Now enter this amount of sacrificing and gaining ratio. This is to be debited, so 22,000 will be shown on the debit side of Anupam, and then 11,000 is to be shown on the credit side of Anshu and Anju, and for Anshu and Anju show by Anupam's capital account, and for Anupam show Anshu and Anju's capital account. Fine, because in whose account you are transferring the amount, the name of account is not shown in particular side. You have to use the contrast of that particular account, or you can say opposite of that particular account. Like if it is debited, then whatever credited capital account, whatever credited, that will be shown in the debit particular column. ठीक है, अब ये देखो, ये आपका डेबिट है, ये दोनों क्रेडिट है. ठीक है, एंट्री आपकी क्या बनेगी? जनरल एंट्री बनेगी आपकी अनुपम्स कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट 24,000 टू अंशुस कैपिटल अकाउंट 11,000 टू अंजुस कैपिटल अकाउंट 11,000. आप जब पोस्टिंग करोगे तो अनुपम की कैपिटल अकाउंट की डेबिट साइड में दिखाओगे, ये दोनों अंशु और अंजू के क्रेडिट साइड में दिखाओगे, और फिर क्या करोगे, अनुपम कैपिटल के लिए इन दोनों का नाम लिखोगे और इन दोनों के कैपिटल में अनुपम का नाम लिखोगे। अपोजिट जो अकाउंट होते हैं उनके नाम लिखे जाते हैं। फॉर डेबिट के लिए क्रेडिट के नाम और क्रेडिट के लिए डेबिट के नाम पर्टिकुलर्स में, लेकिन अमाउंट इसी साइड में एंटर होगा। 24,000 इसकी डेबिट साइड में और 11,000 इसकी डेबिट साइड में। 24,000 ऑल टुगेदर नहीं होगा क्योंकि ये बाइफरकेशन गिवन है, तो 11,000 दोनों अमाउंट आप एंटर करोगे अनुपम की डेबिट साइड में, ठीक है। कुछ ऐसे टू अंशुस कैपिटल अकाउंट 11,000 बाय अनुपम्स कैपिटल अकाउंट 11,000। जर्नल रिजर्व इज टू बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड। जर्नल रिजर्व को ओल्ड प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दोगे। जर्नल रिजर्व आपको गिवन है क्वेश्चन के अंदर 48,000 डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन ओल्ड प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो 19,200, 19,200 एंड 9,600 एंड द बैलेंसेज आवर देयर टू बैलेंस CD 2,70,200, 2,30,200 and 1,47,200. This is the balances fine of partners capital account. Now for making the balance sheet as at 31st March 2019, liabilities amount, assets amount, you have to show, you no need to show the altered value, show the values that was given in the balance sheet before reconstitution. Land 2 lakh and building 80,000, plant 1,60,000, stock 2,10,000, debtors 50,000, cash 20,000. And here creditors BP journal reserve is not there because that has been distributed and these are the new balances of capital account. Total will be 7,20,000. Fine. This is your 44th question. Last question.